coming to you in a new video. We are going to share our experience of a new phenomenon going on. Yes, phenomenon going on due to global warming in California on the West Coast. We are getting ready to have a tropical storm. In all seriousness, a tropical storm. Now, we have been through hurricanes and tropical storms in Florida.
Yes, we have.
But in 30 years, they haven't had a tropical storm in California in over 30 years.
30 years?
Maybe even longer. So, come along as we prepare for what it's like to go through a tropical storm in an RV. So right now we're headed to go get gas to fill up our RV so that we can run our generator. So come with us.
Fill up the tank here too with the truck.
Yes, we're going to also make sure we have gas. Now it's different than it is in Florida with the people in California, because right now no one's in the panic and fearful mode like the people in Florida in panic and fearful. No one's going and raiding all the shelves of food and water. Nobody's like at the gas station taking all the gas other than us. So I'm gonna show you, well, I can't show you the difference because I don't have what it looks like in Florida, but I can definitely show you how people are at least 3 days before a tropical storm is about to hit. So we are due for our tropical storm to hit on Sunday. As of right now, it's predicted for Sunday. Going into Monday, we'll probably get the outer band wind about maybe Saturday night, late Saturday night, early Sunday. So, and usually the outer wind is like a little bit rough, but not as rough as the inner circle. And it's set to project like right over us.
Right.
So if it hits San Diego, it's projected to come like right over us here. So, yeah. But we're used to it, and we are the probably few people in RV in California that is going to actually be ready and prepared. So, come along. All right, as you can see, the gas stations are not crazy. And I just pull up, and I can get my gas. Not too crazy. But there's hardly anybody in that line over there. Sorry about the dirty windshield. About to clean it right now. Alright, we're gonna get some gas. We're at Sam's Club. It's 5:09. Can as well. Alright, I'm gonna need both hands for this one, so give me a second. It's pumping. It's moving pretty slow. Alright, we are full at like 95 gallons, $95. Now we have to fill up the little tank for the RV. Alright, here we go. No connecting. Connected. Alright, this is all full. Put the lid back on. There we go. Alright. Boom. Put that in the back. Alright, cool. And that cost us $13. And regular gas is at $4.88. Boom!
What?
$13.31. Oh, so now we got our gas. Gas was $13.31 for regular gas, and it is like $4.88 a gallon here. And as you can see at the gas station, no one's here going in a panic
Not yet.
for gas. And we got ours, and we're good. We're gonna probably need to get one more gas can full of gas before we leave, but as of right now, I mean, not as we leave, but when we come back to the gas station, one more can. Then our tank should be at least above a half a tank in the RV, because right now I think we have about a quarter of a tank of gas in the RV right now. So, and that gas can is about like 2.5 gallons. So we should be okay. That should be enough. Maybe. We'll see. Once we put it in, we'll see. But now we're headed home. One thing we don't really need to do is buy a bunch of food or groceries. So we don't need to go shopping for food. We do have a ton of water. So we are good on water. We are going to go fill up our freshwater tank, our gray tank, and our black tank. So that'll give us some more weight, so our RV will stay grounded. So we won't be rocking and rolling in this wind storm. Yeah, tropical storm. So come with us back home to prepare the RV for this weekend. Okay, it's pretty dark, but I just got done putting the gas in the RV and filling that up. So our gas tank has gas. Now we are filling up our fresh water tank. Like the Blair Witch Project. You need to light, hold on, Will. It's dark and you can't see. I have to move them. But now we are filling up our fresh water tank to make our RV even heavier. So, trick of the trade. Fill your RV up. All your tanks. Gas tanks, water tanks, gray tanks, black tanks. Fill them all up. And makes your RV even more heavier. So it won't knock over in the wind. Just saying. Alright, you want me to take you to the house?
I'm at the house now.
I mean, in the door, so you can get inside.
Okay.
While that fills, 'cause that seems like it's going to keep going. Okay. We can stop with it. Okay. That's the front of my RV. Okay, so here's, if you can see the sunset. It's so pretty. Look, the weather's so great right now. It's perfect. But in a couple days, this shall be no more because we're getting rain. So today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and I work on the weekends. So I'm going to be working in this tropical storm on Sunday. So I had my freshwater tank empty because I just emptied it not too long ago because I was cleaning it. And I was like, why fill it back up? Because it's clean and we don't really run out of water here at the park or be out of water too often. And usually, like, if something breaks or something and we have water, it's like 1 or 2 hours. It's not too long and they fix it. Only thing that we've ever been without is like electricity overnight. The water, no. Usually we have water. If one area of the camp go down, then the other campgrounds still have water. So we never really have to worry about making sure our freshwater tank has water in it. So it's been empty for about 3 months. So, and we're not going to be drinking any of this water, but because I would like put water in it, then rinse it, and then put water in it again, but it's not necessary. So I'm just making sure I fill it up for Sunday and Monday, and then after that I'll probably drain it again, since the ground will already be wet and nobody will really know. So I know it's not wasting water, it's just saving our lives. Just think of it that way. Well, this is going to take a while. So I'll come back to you with an update after I get eaten up alive by all these bugs. I'm just saying. Okay, bye. And you say, how do you know when your fresh tank is full? When the water starts coming out, that's how you know. Look at that. Focus. Water coming out. Boom, my fresh tank is full. With that, change it up. Nope, still coming out. It's full. Turn it off. Okay, so I hooked it back up to my flush valve. I'm not adding water to my flush valve until the very last day, and then I'll add water to my black tank and make sure that we're full. But those are the steps to take to make sure that your RV is heavy enough to withstand some wind. Not a lot of wind, but some wind. And we're pretty heavy, so we shouldn't have too much problems. Because I do have things inside my toy hauler garage that I would say would hold us down. So please like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. Live the good life
And living the dream.